So now let's compress the shingle over time, and then this is what it does. Hi, I'm Jim with Ideal Roofing. Let's talk about briefly some storm damage. Could have been from hurricane, tropical storm, or high wind. And sometimes it's not so obvious besides full missing shingles. Take a look at this roof. Look at the compromised shingles through here. Now, this could be through several things, but also a lot of times it could be flying debris marks up the shingles and scars them, and you're not even missing the shingle. But you don't know this sometimes unless you get up here on the roof and see even, look at the hole that's in the shingle. So this could have been from flying debris. Another issue is, and I'm going to use this shingle as an example, but the wind comes up and will start lifting the shingle, and now I'm manipulating this just to imitate several hours of wind flapping. Okay, so it's going like this in the wind. You've probably seen it, and as I'm doing it, look what's happening to the shingle. These shingles are made out of fiberglass. Glass likes to stay flat. So now let's compress the shingle over time, and then this is what it does. It's damaged. Look at this dark crease going across the shingle. You're not missing a shingle, it's not obvious, but over time, they'll start slipping off and you're wondering, what's happening to my roof? Why are shingles sliding off? And this is why.